guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. It's been a while, but I'm back. Today I'm going to be unboxing a very special box. This big box that came in the mail for me, and I think I know what it is. So let's start opening. It's about 2 feet. So I got my scissors here, and I'm going to cut it open. Okay, what is it? Oh my goodness! It's my NPET skateboard. Look at this. Oh my gosh! Wow! Ah! This little skateboard was sent to me from NPET, and they wanted me to give you guys a special discount code for 20% off. So if you use my code IamAnna95 at checkout on npet.com, you can get 20% off. IamAnna95 is spelled IamAnna95, and it's all caps. It won't work if you don't do it in caps. So just turn your caps lock on, put that in. I'll put it in on the screen here, and I'll also put the link on the screen as well and in the description. So they sent me this awesome skateboard, and it is a 22-inch mini cruiser. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my scissors and open it up. Woo. It holds up to 200 pounds, even though it's like really small. Look how cute it is. It's pink. And they also have them in this teal color and black. It's for beginners, and it has like this non-slip top. And then we're going to try it out. And here's a little user guide. Okay, this is how it looks. And I'll get closer to the camera so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here's a close-up of the board. It's got like this crisscross pattern so that it's non-slip. And it's got, here are the aluminum wheel bearings and the wheels. There's 4 wheels, of course. And it looks great. So here you can see it. And now we're gonna test it out. You ready? This is gonna be scary. Okay, so I'm talking into my phone right now so you all can hear me from way over there. This is my sister Ashley, and she's gonna test out the skateboard. If she fails, we're gonna laugh, and then we're gonna comfort her in the dog poop, and then she's leaving, and then she's leaving, and I'm gonna die. No, and then she's gonna help me try to ride it since I don't know how to ride a skateboard. So let's see. Okay, try it out, Ashley. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe here. Why don't you hold on to me? You can stand the other way. Oh, because you're right foot? Are you left-footed? Oh. Oh my. How do you do this? She did it! No. Oh no! Oh no! Ashley, don't fall. You've got headphones on. Okay. Whoa! She's doing it! Oh no, it's gone! He loves the pink skateboard. I think. Look,
Oh, look, he's watching it.
Okay, let's try it out, Andrew. He can't walk yet, but he can skateboard. Oh, look, he's got it. Good boy. Woo, baby. Yeah. Can you sit on it? There you go. Woo.
Hey, baby. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
He's like such a little man.
So again, if you all want to get this skateboard yourself, it's 20% off with the code IamAnna95, and I'll have the link down below. Andrew says it's super fun, and he also says to subscribe. If you have any friends that would like a skateboard, it's a great gift, and you can use the code. Let me know down below in a comment if you use the code, and get your own NPET mini cruiser skateboard. Thanks for watching. Bye.